Metalfab is proud to introduce this custom pumper built for the Norfolk County Fire Department located in Simcoe, Ontario. This is one of 2 units we've built for this department. It is going to be stationed in the Teeterville Hall. It is built on a 2012 Spartan MetroStar cab. It's the medium 4-door with the 10-inch raised roof. It is powered by a Cummins 380 horsepower engine, has an Allison 3000 EVS transmission, has seating for 6 firefighters, 5 of them being SCBA seats. It has a 24-inch extended front bumper that has dual speakers for the sirens, dual air horns. It has a 6-inch front suction that has a pre-connected hose that lays on top of the front bumper. Inside the bumper there is storage for the low-level suction strainer. This unit has a Whalen LED emergency light system. It has an FRC 12-volt LED light mounted in the middle of the cab. There is a Federal Visibeam mounted on top of the AC conditioner. The cab also has a Kusmal battery conditioner with built-in air compressor. There are FRC extended lights mounted on the back of the cab. The pump is a Hale 1250 imperial gallon per minute pump, and the water capacity is 800 imperial gallons. At the top of the pump house there's an open top storage for the monitor plumbing. There are 2 1.5-inch cross lays at the left hand portion. The foam system is a Foam Pro 2002 dual tank system. Every discharge is color coded. There's a Class 1 total pressure governor that is protected by a sun guard with a flip up panel. This unit has a terminal relief valve. There are 2 electric master intake valves. One is for the left hand 6-inch suction, one is for the front suction. These are primed with the pre-primer system. The 4-inch electric tank to pump is from Elkhart. There are 2 switches at the bottom portion of the panel that are used to control the extended lights on the back of the cab. The drains are at the bottom of the pump panel. There is a manual pump shift override mounted on the lower edge of the pump panel. This unit has a pump house heater that is thermostatically controlled. The body is a high side body on both sides. On the left hand side there are 2 suction hoses mounted on the fender top. At the upper edges of the compartments there are adjustable shelves and tool boards mounted in the back of the compartment. The front compartment has the base for the monitor mounted in the lower edge. In the rear fender well there is a bottle holder for the SCBA. There is a Whalen LED flasher and a fuel fill. In the lower edge of the rear compartment there is a 600-pound manual pull-out tray, and there is a FRC tripod light mounted behind a guard in the back compartment. This unit has deck plate hosebed covers, 4 adjustable hosebed dividers. There's an inset step below the hosebed. There are 3 2.5-inch discharges and a traffic light bar mounted underneath the hosebed. There's a rear compartment that is covered with an Amdor roll-up door. There are steps to gain access to the upper portion. On the outer edges there are a beacon, a floodlight, a scene light, 3 amber flashers per side. On the right hand side there's the controls for the Zyco ladder access system. And at the bottom edge there's the Whalen 64 LED module and 110 volt outlets. The bumper is non-slip and the middle portion is recessed inside the body. The right hand side of the body has a Zyco access ladder rack. It's on a 1-arm design. On the pump panel there is a 6-inch inlet. There is a 2.5-inch gated inlet, dual 2.5-inch discharges, and a 4-inch high vol discharge. There is a panel to gain access to the pump house. The front of the body there are folding steps to gain access to the upper open top storage. The front compartment has 4 SCBA brackets, an adjustable shelf, and a 600-pound pull-out tray. The compartment over the rear wheels has an adjustable shelf. The rear fender well has two SCBA bottle holder compartments, and the rear compartment has a 110 volt electrical panel supplied for a portable generator. On the Zyco ladder rack, there are flashing lights to show when the ladder is deployed, and the control for this is at the back of the body.